Hey there, this is Jim with Target Rental. Sometimes it can be intimidating to use equipment. We understand this. This is why we've created this series of instructional videos for the sole purpose of easing your mind and making you realize that it's not as hard as it looks. If you have any questions at the end of this video, feel free to call us. We're here to help.
This is our walk-behind loader. This is called the Dingo. It's a little front-end loader. That's a walk-behind unit where you stand behind it and you steer it from behind the machine. It's a wonderful application for homeowners, for landscapers. They like it because it's so narrow. It's only 34 inches wide with the tracks. The bucket's only 42 inches. It'll go into most gated areas or backyards or for anything kind of small where you don't need something quite as big as a skid steer. As far as startup procedures, it's a key start. You have a choke up top and your throttle on the left-hand side. So as we get ready to start it, you'll want to choke about mid-throttle, and then all you do is you turn the key. The machine will fire up, and then what we're going to have is full throttle. But while I'm speaking to you, I'd like to leave it in low throttle. What we have here is you have your bucket controls again as we go ahead and raise. And so it'll go ahead and raise the arms, put up a little throttle. And then forward on the joystick will allow us to lower the arms. As we go ahead and go to the left, it will curl the bucket up. As we push the joystick out, it wants to go ahead and release what's in the bucket. As far as driving the unit forward and reverse, kind of like a skid steer, but a steering wheel, so my hands never leave the hold bar. So with the thumbs, we will go ahead and push the machine forward. As we go back, we'll go ahead and grab the top of the steering wheel and pull the machine backwards. As far as left and right, we will go ahead and turn it just like a steering wheel, and that will rock it to the right. As we want to turn to the left, we'll push with our right hand more, and it kind of goes to the left. And that allows us to be able to drive into our loads, be able to use our bucket, and also be able to scoop the load as we start lifting and being able to move the material from point A to point B. And we can also, on this machine, we have what's called a float. And that's all the way forward where it'll stay in that position. And with the float position, what's nice is as you're going forward or backwards, it will go with the terrain. So it won't dig in or it won't pull up. It kind of just floats out the material as you're walking forward and back with it. As we said, we have lots of implements at Target Rental, and this postal auger is one of our attachments. Let me show you real quick how we use that. So we go ahead and have the quick disconnects. We take the bucket off, and the auger will attach to the postal auger driver. Let's go ahead and fire it up, and then we'll use our auxiliary power in order to activate that auger. We also use our right hand in order to put the pressure down as that auxiliary power is being pushed in to allow us to drill the hole to the depth we want to go. Also, as you bring it up, you can see the versatility in order to bring it up and also moving from the next post hole to the next post hole. From post hole to post hole, you're able to use the wheel to drive to that next position. The Dingo has lots of functions. Also, we have a tiller attachment and many other attachments that go to the Dingo. This is our Dingo. It's a wonderful piece of equipment at Target Rental. And if you have any other questions on this Dingo, please give us a call or look at our website at www.targetrental.com.
That's just one of many different pieces of equipment we have here at Target Rental. We have lots more, and we have lots more instructional videos to show you how to use them. But my main concern is to match up the right piece of equipment for you and your project. So feel free to call us, visit our website, come in. We want to talk to you. We're the Get It Done guys.